If you want to see phenomenal changes in your body and in your energy without taking any supplements or getting surgeries, I have an insane opportunity for 5 people until July 15th. In the last year, I came up with this incredible strategy that helps women lose 5 to 15 pounds every single month without starving themselves, without spending long hours in the gym, or getting expensive plastic surgeries, and dangerous, might I add. I've literally only shown this to a few of my top clients, and they've seen immediate results in the first week from this method alone. This is one of the best ways to drop weight and tone your body method to date. And because we want to see more of our clients win and get the momentum and results that they've been looking for, my team and I will be coaching 5 clients one-on-one to get to that dream body and execute the strategy to where your friends are asking you, what did you do? You look so great.